Louise Bedford here. I've got some exciting news. You see, Chris Tate and I are rebuilding our email system, and we want to work with the most elite, the most dedicated and the most committed traders, not only in Australia but also around the world. I know you've been receiving our newsletter for free as well as a lot of our free resources. But you know what? For you to continue receiving those resources, you need to fill in your details right now. You see, once we know who's interested in continuing to receive our resources, we'll be able to throw more of our heart and soul and more of our commitments your way. You know, the other thing is, to sweeten the deal, I'm actually giving you $497 worth of free information as soon as you register. It's going to be terrific because there's things in there that you have never seen, resources that can drive you on to becoming the best trader that you can be. I'm really excited about this new pack. I want you to learn how to trade like a machine. I want you to feel safe and confident with your decisions. So the next step for you is to register your details now. Do it now before you forget. It'll take 30 seconds.